Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to carrier unlock an eSIM on your iPhone. If your iPhone is logged to a specific network and you want to use another carrier, this guide will walk you through the correct steps. So first of all, you need to open the settings of your device. Once you are inside the settings, simply look for the option of General. When you are inside General, simply tap on the option of About on the top. Now, when you are here inside your About iPhone section, you just have to scroll all the way down and you need to look for the option of Carrier Lock. Now, as you can see, I have this Carrier Lock option available. If right next to it, it says no SIM restrictions, as in my case it is showing me, it simply means that your iPhone is already unlocked and you can use any of the carriers including with an eSIM. Now if it says or if it shows a carrier name, it means that your device is locked. So to unlock it, you can't change these settings manually. You must contact to your mobile carrier. You need to reach out to their customer support and you need to request a carrier unlock. Most of the carriers require that your device is fully paid off and not tied to an active contract. Once your carrier approves the unlock, it usually happens remotely. You may receive a confirmation message or email. After approval, simply restart your iPhone. Then again, you need to come back on this particular setting and you need to check these settings. It should be no SIM restrictions. So that's how you can do it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.